In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Dropbox to Canva. By the end, your Dropbox files will be just a click away inside Canva, so you can pull in photos, videos, and documents without downloading or re-uploading anything. Start on your main Canva dashboard. This is the home screen you see after signing in, where you can create a new design or open recent projects. Make sure you're connected to the internet and using the latest version of Canva, either in your browser or the desktop app, since the connection options live right on this screen. On the right side of the dashboard, look for the plus icon. This button expands your options for bringing content into Canva. Click it, then choose Import. Import is where Canva lists the services it can connect to, and Dropbox is one of the built-in options. Select Dropbox from the list to begin linking your accounts. You'll see a prompt to connect Canva to your Dropbox. Click Connect. Canva will ask for permission to access your Dropbox so it can show your folders and let you import files directly into your designs. This permission is standard for integrations like this, and you're simply authorizing Canva to read the files you choose to bring in. Take a moment to review the permissions, then continue. If you're not already signed in to Dropbox in your browser or app, you'll see a Dropbox sign-in screen. Log into your Dropbox account securely to proceed. If you're already signed in, you may skip straight to the authorization screen. Approve the connection so Canva can access your Dropbox files for importing. This step completes the link between the two services. Once connected, your Dropbox will appear as an import source inside Canva. That means whenever you go to add content, you'll be able to browse your Dropbox folders right from Canva and select the files you want. The integration keeps everything in one workflow, saving time and helping you stay organized across projects. A couple of quick notes. If you have a team or business Dropbox, you may see your team folders alongside personal folders, depending on your account settings. Also, it can take a brief moment for Dropbox to appear the first time you connect, especially if you have a large number of files. That's normal. Just give it a second to load. And that's it. You've connected Dropbox to Canva, and you're ready to import your content seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy designing with your Dropbox files just a click away.